Good morning and Jai Swaminarayan. Today we will study about rational numbers. Before starting the rational numbers, we already know the some numbers like natural numbers and other numbers. So today I will give you some introductions about integers. Integers, as we all know, it will contain minus numbers like -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity in both side, minus infinity to plus infinity. Same thing we have already studied about the fraction in the 7th standard. Fraction contain mainly two things, numerator as well as denominator. Here we take some examples like 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 4 upon 7, 2 upon 3. So right now we will start the main thing of our 8th standard, rational numbers. Rational numbers, any number defined in the form of p upon q. Any number defined in the form of p upon q. P, it is called numerator and q is called denominator. Here p means numerator comes in the form of positive also, negative also and 0 also, and the same thing q also comes in the two form, positive numbers as well as negative numbers. Q never comes in the form of negative numbers. So students, remember that thing. P, numerator comes in the form of positive number, negative number and 0, but q is always comes in the only two forms of integers, positive and negative. Q never comes in the form of 0, because if we take q as a 0, the value of the number will be infinite. Okay, so we move ahead now. Okay, here we studied two things, positive rational numbers and negative rational numbers. If numerator positive number and the same thing denominator also positive, then the number will be positive rational number. On the same manner, if numerator also negative number and denominator also negative number, then it is also positive rational number. So for that, if both numerator and denominator both are positive, otherwise if both are negative, then it is called positive rational numbers. And the same thing, if any one of them, means if numerator or denominator are negative, if numerator or denominator out of two, if any one is negative number, then the number will be negative rational numbers. For example, minus 13 upon 11. Here out of these two, 13 is minus, so that's why this number is negative rational number. Same here, minus 2 upon 3. Okay, now we move further. Representation on number line, very important thing. It will help you in the higher standard like 9th and 10th standard also. Representation. So here we will take the different numbers for the representation of number line. Here we take 2 by 5. Here let 2 by 5 on number line. As we all know, 2 by 5 is a proper number, proper fraction. As we all know, the proper and improper. So every proper number comes in between 0 and 1. Every proper number comes in between 0 and 1. So first of all, draw one number line. As you all know how to draw the number line. After drawing the number line, here the number 2 by 5, as we all know, comes in between 0 and 1. Now we move further. Here denominator is a 5. So here we have to divide the 0 to 1 place in simple same equivalent ratio like 5. So here we cut 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So if we mark 4 numbers, then same equivalent ratio will be there like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we give the name, like first is a 0 upon 5, 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5 and 5 upon 5. So here we require which number? 2 upon 5. So we just here mark 2 upon 5. Getting? Okay. So now we move further. Another number 8 upon 3. Students, we have already studied the numbers. Okay. Now improper fraction. As we all know, proper fraction and improper fraction. Okay, so in proper fraction, numerator is lesser than the denominator. Numerator is lesser than the denominator, but in improper fraction, value of numerator is greater than the denominator. So we cannot directly put on number line. So for these type of improper fraction number representation on number line, first of all we convert these number like this 8 upon 3 into mixed fraction. Students, as we all know now how to convert this mixed fraction 8 upon 3. So we all know the normal division. 8 divided by 3, 3 2s are 6, remainder 2. So we can write in this form 2 upon 3. So number is 2 plus 2 upon 3. Okay, 8 upon 3 is equal to 2 upon 3 is equal to 2 plus 2 upon 3. So from this thing we know that this number 8 upon 3 will come in between integer 2 and 3. From this we know that number 8 upon 3 is equal to 2 plus 2 by 3 will come in between 2 and 3. So right now, first of all we draw the number line. As we all know, the number is in between 2 and 3. So we will consider only this one, 2 to 3. Now which one left? 2 plus 2 by 3. So 2 has already come. So now we consider only 2 upon 3. So here value of denominator will be 3. So we need to cut by 3 simple or equivalent part. So here we cut by only 2, 1 and 2. So 3 equivalent parts are there, 1, 2 and 3. First one is a 0, second 1, 2 and 3. 0 upon 3, 1 upon 3, 2 upon 3, 3 upon 3. So here we have to consider second part, 2 upon 3. So this 2 upon 3 parts will be 2 plus 2 upon 3. So total will be 8 upon 3. So same thing, you can represent these type of negative numbers also in number line. Okay, I hope you will understand in the best possible way. Now students, our next topic will be absolute value. Absolute value is very much important, especially in the science physics field. So where we will consider it, the absolute value for any rational number with its numerical value regardless of its sign. Still, next time I will repeat, absolute value, it is the rational number with its numerical value regardless of its sign. So for finding the absolute value of any rational number, we are not going to conduct the sign. For example, minus 3 upon 5. This is the symbol of absolute value. If you wish to find the absolute value of minus 3 upon 5, at that time you do not consider, okay, you do not have to consider this minus sign. हमें ये minus sign consider करनी नहीं है. तो हमारे minus 3 by 5 का absolute value का आंसर आएगा plus 3 upon 5, and the same thing minus 4 upon 7 का आंसर आएगा 4 upon 7. Next time I will repeat, absolute value of any rational number is with its numerical value regardless of its sign. हमें उसकी खाली न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू कंसिडर करनी है, साइन को कंसिडर करने की ज़रूरत होती नहीं है. आई होप यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक विल बी इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर्स. व्हाट इज मीनिंग ऑफ इक्विवेलेंट? मीन्स सेम. Value of rational numbers will be the same. Still I will repeat, equivalent rational number, the value of rational number will be the same. So if you wish to find the equivalent rational number, for that you have to multiply or divide its numerator and denominator by the same non-zero number. What is meaning of non-zero? Do not consider zero number. If you wish to find equivalent rational number, for that you have to multiply or divide its numerator and denominator by same non-zero number. Here you have to do not conduct any zero number. If you wish to conduct the zero number, the answer will be 0. So do not conduct zero number. Okay, for example, 2 upon 5. If you want to find the equivalent number of 2 upon 5, so here we multiply this numerator 2 and denominator 2 by 2. So 2 multiplied by 2, 5 multiplied by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. Same thing, if you wish to multiply by 3, then you have to multiply by the same number. 2 3s are 6, 5 3s are 15. Same thing, if you wish to multiply by 6, 2 into 6 12, 5 into 6 30. But here you have to take the same number. If you wish to multiply by 2, then you have to consider 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 6 and 6. Okay, I hope you learn this thing. Getting? Same thing, here we take another number, minus 3 upon minus 3. So 2 3s are minus 6, 5 3s are minus 15. To find the equivalent rational numbers, you have to multiply the numerator and denominator by the same numbers. Don't forget the same numbers. Whatever you multiply with the numerator, same thing you have to multiply with denominator. Okay, got it? Now next topic will be rational numbers in standard form. What standard form? Other name is simplest form. If you wish to write the rational number in the simplest form, so definition will be, if the numerator and denominator of a given rational number, if the numerator and denominator of a given rational number do not have any common factor other than 1. If the numerator and denominator of a given rational number do not have any common factor other than 1 and denominator is in the form of positive integer, it is called simplest form. Okay, if numerator or denominator of any rational number, denominator and numerator of any rational number do not have any common factor other than 1, उसमें से उन दोनों का कोई भी फैक्टर एक से ज़्यादा होना चाहिए नहीं, और हर एक बार डिनोमिनेटर कौन से फॉर्म में आना चाहिए? पॉजिटिव फॉर्म में. तो सिंपल फॉर्म कोई भी नंबर का तब होता है जब न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर का कॉमन फैक्टर खाली एक ही होता है, 1 से ज़्यादा कोई होता नहीं है, 1 and 1 ओनली, और उसका डिनोमिनेटर कौन सी आता है? ओनली पॉजिटिव नंबर्स. तो उसको बोला जाता है सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म. Please remember this thing. So now we consider one number, for example minus 49 upon 21. So as per our definition, our denominator comes in the form of positive integer. Our denominator comes in the form of positive number. So here we multiply the denominator and numerator by minus 1. Multiply by minus 1 to both numerator and denominator. So 49 into minus 1. Minus 21 into minus 1. So if we multiply 49 into minus 1, here 49 will be plus, this one minus, so plus minus minus, 49 ones are 49. Same thing, minus minus plus, so 21 ones are 21. So as per our definition, the denominator is now positive. Now second thing, one most important thing for finding the standard form or simplest form, the denominator and numerator do not have common factor other than 1. So for that, here we find the HCF. HCF of 49 and 21. Students, you all know how to find the HCF of 49 and 21. So here you can find by yourself. So HCF of 49 and 21 will be 7. HCF of 49 and 21 will be 7. So here we will divide. Here we will divide by 7. So 49 minus 49 divided by 7, 21 divided by 7. So 49 by 7, 7, and minus sign will be as it is. 21 by 7 is equal to 3. Again we just revise 49 upon minus 21. So multiply by minus 1 to the both because of denominator is a negative. So 49 into minus 1 minus 49, minus 21 into minus 1 21. So minus 41 upon 20, 49 upon 21. So HCF of 49 and 21 will be 7. So here we will divide by 7, minus 49 upon 7, 21 by 7. So answer will be 49 upon 7 minus 7 minus 21 upon 7 is equal to 3. I hope you will understand each and everything in the best possible way. So from this you can solve, okay, normal sums of rational numbers. Okay, thank you very much.